Hey everybody, this is Mike Anderson with Collision Advice. I'm here with my great friend Danny with the DEG, and we're working with SCRS to bring you a series of quick tips that will help you to boost your business. So, in the past, Danny and I did a quick tip for you in regards to test drives. And in that quick tip video, what we'd shared with you was some of the considerations, like, for example, ask yourself, how far do I have to drive, meaning distance? How far do I need to drive in regards to time, like 2 minutes or 2 hours? What speed do I need to drive? What pattern, et cetera, et cetera. You can check out that video. But today we want to talk about why we have to do test drives. Now, one of the things you got to remember is, before you conduct that post-repair scan, you may need to drive the vehicle a certain amount of mileage or a certain speed to ensure that these systems are working properly. Because if you don't, then it may not even actually activate a DTC. We may have to test drive a vehicle, ladies and gentlemen, for example, to check for wind noise. Maybe we need to test drive a vehicle to make sure that when we reinstall the exhaust, there's not a rattle. So there's a lot of reasons why we might need to perform a test drive. So the question is, if we have to perform a test drive, is it included or not included? Danny, what are your thoughts?
It's a great question, Mike. And the process is not included in all three estimating systems. Again, the test drive can vary depending on the type of repair being done and what kind of systems the vehicle has. Every system has to reinitialize and readapt and relearn the driver, the road conditions, and those can all play a factor as far as how much time and mileage and fuel that the vehicle may consider or use, and that way you can consider that on your repair plan.
So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Remember, think about what are the things I need to test drive to achieve good speed, distance, mileage. We've got that covered in our other video quick tip. But today we want to talk about why and when we need to conduct a test drive. So again, OEM repair procedures will dictate that, and also a conversation with your technician. Thanks for joining us today.